Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Let's start and grow together. Give list of products from electronics or mobile category earning revenue in the range of 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. To solve this problem, we will use in operator which allows you to specify multiple values in where clause. It is shortcuts for multiple or condition. Here we will specify multiple values, electronics and mobile in parentheses separated by commas. Then to get revenue in the range of 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs, we will use between operator where we can specify the range. Let's see in the practical. We are using same product table. So this is our table with 20 values in it. To find products category either electronics or mobile, we will give condition in the where clause with in operator where we will specify different values. So let's execute this statement. Here we got only electronics and mobile category. Now we also want to find revenue range between 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. To get that, we will use between operator in where clause to specify values in the range and operator is used in between. So let's execute this statement. This will give revenue in the range of 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. To get the required output, we will combine these two statements with AND clause. So let's execute this statement. In this way, we got output table with only two categories, mobile and electronics, whose revenue is in between 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.